Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. My name is Ayman Sheikh and today in this video we will see a function about pivot table. So basically we have a data set like this. Here we have some prod keys, the product name. So we have product name as Entelios, Cisaplast, Flare, Expert Aging, all others, and skincare, total skincare level. And here we have some variables. So now I want the pivot table to be on the basis of, like, if I am selecting a particular product like Entelios, and if I am selecting one geography, or if I am selecting all the geography, so what is the total of this particular ABMA1? So here we can see that it is 1596.58, which is around 1597. So now let's see that if I am selecting in pivot table and if I am selecting Entelios, so you can see that it is 1596.58. So this is the data which I wanted to extract from pivot table. So first what we will do, first we will select the data set and we will press Alt NVT. This is the shortcut to create a pivot table. After pressing Alt NVT, you can press enter. So now a blank pivot table is generated in a new sheet. And if we want to do this manually, so what you can do is you can select the data set and go to insert pivot table and from table and range. So now here I will be selecting the range, and here in new workbook is selected. If I would be selecting the existing workbook, so I need to give a location, and that location can be below this data set or besides this data set. But now I want it in the new worksheet. So I will press OK, and you can see that here again a pivot table has been created. So let's start creating a pivot table where I can see the prod keys and the variable sum. So now to see the prod key, I will put it in the filter and I will take few variables, like taking for now, for the example part, I will be just taking maybe 10 variables, not more than that. And instead of, like, I don't want it this in the column, so I will take this, drag the values to the rows. So I can see that now it is coming vertically rather than horizontally. So there are three ways to create this, kind of, or to extract this kind of data. So first is, like, if we want to create all the prod keys in one table, so what we will do, instead of putting prod keys in the table, I will just put prod keys in the row. So you can see that here is the prod key is the code. If we want to take the prod name, so instead of prod key, we will just take the prod name and remove the prod key. So now we can see that here the Entelios is there, then this much is the sum is coming from Entelios, this much variables are coming from the second brand. But I want to see Entelios or the first brand name for all these variables. So what we will do, we'll go to design and then report layout. So in the report table, we will select this show in tabular form. So now you can see that Entelios is getting replicated and here is the data. So this is one way to fetch the data for different brands. But what if you have to see this data in all the different sheets? So suppose this is my working sheet and now I want to create the sheets for, like, all the. So now I want to create sheets. One sheet should be for Entelios, one tab should be for Cisaplast, one tab should be for third brand. So like that way, if I want to create this. So one way of doing that is like making duplicate. So I can make a copy of this and I can create a copy and just press this. So working 2 has been created. So here I can select the first brand. Then for in this working 1, I can select the second brand. Like that way I can do, and I can rename it. This is this brand's pivot table. But it is a very time consuming task. So to avoid this thing, we have a very easy thing to do. So first let me delete this thing. Extra tabs, I will be just deleting it. And let's come back to this. And for now, we will just select all. So here you can see that we have a pivot table analyze tab over here, and here in this pivot table we have options. So in the option, I will see that I want to show the filter reports in different pages or in different tabs. So I will just select this option. Prod name is in the filter, so I will be selecting that and I will press OK. So now you can see that here the first tab is already created for the first brand, the second tab is for second brand, third tab is for third brand, then fourth, fifth, and the total. So what all filters were available in our this working file, all the filters are coming in a tab way. So rather than making the duplicate of this file 2, 3, 5 times, 6 times, you can just simply go to pivot table analyze, and in the pivot table you can just select the option, and in the option show report filter. So the task which was taking too much of time is now done in seconds. I hope you have learned a very useful shortcut and you can use this to speed up your work. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.